Hey guys, Swisher Family Homestead here. I'm on day 2 of the new project for the homestead. I got Amy. Miss Amy's gonna help me today. Woo-hoo! I will have to do it all. But as you can see, the pile is gone. I did that all yesterday in about 4.5 hours. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up filling in some low spots on here. And then we're going to start our first small project in this area. We got quite a few projects going on, but that's the first small project. As you can see, we got the generators moved. That's over there. It's super quiet now. As you can tell, I'm talking normal. It's not really overpowering me. We put some landscaping fabric around the edges of the home, and we also put some mulch down around the edges of the home. The runoff and everything from the rain, we're hoping. The reason why it's so gloomy today is that we get some rain to pack this crushing run down, or the chert. To pack the chert down. And I'll probably go over it with my truck back and forth. I'll have Amy direct me, and we'll just keep moving the truck back and forth until we get it all packed in real good. But no, so we got this area that we're gonna have to fill over here, and we're gonna have to do around where Amy's standing at. It's pretty low right here, if you look. I'm standing to Amy, and that's how far of a drop it is from where Amy's at.
Yeah, this is normally where we are. In this.
That tells you a big difference of the drop. So we got to get this drop out of here because it's holding water and it's puddling real bad, and we don't want that puddling to happen. So we're going to get to work, and I'll show you guys real quick of what we got over here. Now what we got over here is another pile of chert. And we're going to fill that up and wheelbarrow it. Now I'm also going to use that to fill in the low spots in our, I guess you'd call it our yard or a pasture over there. And we'll use that to fill in some of that stuff. And we just, right now, we kind of want to focus more on getting So as you guys can see, the chert pile's right there. We're gonna get that chert pile moved, and we're gonna fill up the low spots over here. And then on top of it, what's left we're gonna use to fill in all the low spots out in our pasture. I'm hoping that, you know, we can get some of this, a good majority of this done today. I don't know if it's gonna happen. We're expecting a lot of rain, but if we do, awesome. If we don't, there's always tomorrow. There's never a rush on the homestead. It'll get done eventually. I guess time for us to get to work. What do you think, Ames? All right, let's go. By the way, if any of you guys got complaints about our wheelbarrow, if you don't like it, you can send us one. In case you guys were wondering what I did and why I wasn't helping Amy, there's a guy that lives down at the end of the road here that owns a masonry company, and he has a Kubota sitting, well, actually Kubota, a cat sitting there right now, skid steer, and I was going to go see if I can use it to move this real quick, but no luck, so I guess got to use the muscle.